So very good afternoon, dear children. Today, I'm going to ask you questions from multiplication tables 2, 5, and 10. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes or no?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, now mute your audio, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will mute you all. Now, Adidev case. Please unmute. Unmute here. Okay. Dear, 5 into 2. 5 into 2.
10.
Very good, very good, very good. Joseph, don't show any number, whether it is right or wrong. Okay, let others say answer. Okay, I'll give you a chance, don't worry. Now, next question to Amen. Please unmute.
Ma'am.
Oh, sorry, dear. Once more unmute. Once more
Ma'am.
unmute. Okay. 4 into 5.
4.
4 into 5.
5. 10.
5, 10. Take 4
10.
fingers. 4 fingers you take there. 5.
5.
Uh,
10.
uh,
15.
uh,
20.
not 17. After 15, 20.
20.
5, 10, 15, 20. Okay.
20.
So
20.
4 into 5 equal to 20. Okay.
20.
Okay. Now our Farzan. Please unmute Farzan. Dear, 4 into 2. 4 into 2.
8.
8. Very good. Now Joseph. Joseph, please unmute.
Yes.
Joseph,
Yes, ma'am.
9 into 2.
9 into 2. 18.
80. Good. Now Anton. Why Ardra is here now? Anton, please unmute. Wait here. Unmute. Now try to unmute here. Anton. Unmuted? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dear, 2 into 2.
4. 4.
Oh, good. Now Arav. Unmute. Arav. 9 into 5. Sorry?
45. 45.
45. Who said answer now? Though to whom I am asking, they only want to say answer here. Okay. Let others get chance. 9 into yes, 9 into 5 equal to 45.
Answer.
Okay. Anyway, now I hope, yes, almost everybody studied today. So I will give multiples of 3 and 4 today that you have to learn for the next class. Okay. So everybody open your maths notebook and copy down multiples of 3 and 4.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My take.
Okay, let me write.
Yes.
Write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. They are 3 takes 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now, multiples of 4.
9,
4, 8,
16,
12,
and
16.
8 and 7.
Sorry?
8 and 7 also.
I can't hear you, dear. Will you repeat? Will you repeat your doubt?
8 and 2, 8 and 3 and 2.
Sorry? These are the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Copy down.
Okay. Okay. That
Multiples of 3 and multiples of 4.
definitely. Then of 4.
Yes, dear.
Multiplication 4 is easy.
Your voice is breaking.
Multiplication 4 is easy.
Now, and Pavira, please read multiples of 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, very good. Now, Harshvardhan, please unmute and read multiples of 3 again.
3,
Ah,
6,
ah,
9,
ah,
12,
ah,
30,
ah,
8, 21,
ah,
24, 27,
ah.
30.
Okay, good. You can mute your audio. Now, Adityan, please read multiples of 4. Unmute. Multiples of 4.
4,
Ah,
8,
ah,
12,
ah.
16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Okay, good. Michelle, read multiples of 4 again.
4,
Ah,
8, 12,
ah,
3,
ah,
24,
ah,
28,
ah.
32, 36, 40.
Okay. Now, Fadil, read multiples of 4 again.
4, 8,
Only
12,
Fadil I asked.
15,
Wait, dear. Wait, Fadil. Fadil, now unmute. Fadil. Farzan. Mohammed Farzan, please unmute. Ah, read multiples of 4.
4,
Ah, yes.
4,
Ah,
8,
ah,
12,
ah,
60,
ah,
20,
ah,
24,
ah,
28,
ah,
32,
ah,
36,
ah.
40.
Okay. Now, Clement, please unmute and read. Multiples of 4.
4,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
12,
Ah, 32. Your voice is breaking and I can't hear you, dear. Now, anybody is there to complete this one? If anybody is there, I'll send through WhatsApp because I have given enough time. Now, dear children, you can close your book. We are going to discuss multiplication of 3 digit into 1 digit with a regrouping. We have learned 2 digit into 1 digit with the regrouping. Today we will discuss 3 digit into 1 digit. So first we can revise 2 digit into 1 digit with the regrouping, multiplication with the regrouping. After that, I'll show you how we will do 3 digit. Now everybody close your all the books. Close your all the books and listen. Now no need to write anything. I'll tell you when you want to write. Okay. For example, first I will show you 2 digit into 1 digit. This one we already learned. 28 into 2. Now, one. Juan, please unmute. Yes. Here, you have to start multiplication from which place, dear? From which place? You have to start 10.
Ones place.
From ones place. So we have to first multiply 2 into 8. After that, we have to multiply 2 into 2.
2 into 2.
So first 2 into 8. What you will get? 2 into 8.
16.
16. In 16, which digit we will write in the ones place?
6.
6 we will write in the ones place. And 1 what we will do?
10.
We will carry forward to the
10 place.
Then which all digits we have to multiply?
2 into 2.
Yes, 2 into 2. 2 twos are
4.
4. With that, what we have to do? This 1. We got 2 twos are 4.
5.
We have to add. 4 plus 1 equals
56.
to 5.
56.
Very good. 56. Now, dear children, I am going to show you for 3 digits. For example, 215 into 2. 215 into 2. Here also you have to write HTO. Here 3 digits are there. 215 into 2. Here first we have to multiply. Here also we have to multiply ones place digit. 2 into 5 first, then 2 into 1, then 2 into 2. 2 into 5. What is the product? Yes, Joseph, unmute and
10.
tell. Somebody already told. 2 into 5? 10.
10.
In 10, what we have to write in the ones place?
0.
0 we have to write in the ones place. And 1 we have to carry forward to the
10.
tens place. Okay. Then we have to multiply which all digits?
1 and 2.
This 1 and this 2. 1 into 2?
2.
2.
1. 2.
With that you have to add this carry
Three.
over 1. 2 plus 1?
3. 3.
Then you have to multiply what?
2.
And
2 equal to 4.
2 and 2. 2 to
is
the
34.
4. So what is the answer? 400.
430.
Yes. Now, one more question we can discuss. That's 300. I'm going to mute you all and I'll ask one person to answer. 302 into 9. Yes, Adityan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
HTO. 302 into 9. First, we have to multiply which order it's dear.
First digit. First
First,
digit. 2,
2 and
9,
9.
80,
Then what we have to multiply? 0 and 9. Then 3 into 9. Okay.
180,
So 2 nines are
18,
18. In 18, what we have to, which digit we have to write in the ones place?
8,
8. And 1, what we should do?
1 carry to
Tens place.
10 space.
Then which all digits we have to multiply?
8, 1, 8, 0,
No.
9, 0,
9 and 0.
0,
9 and 0 we have to multiply. 9 into 0, what you will get?
0.
Then with that, what we have to do? This 1.
1 will have to add.
0 plus 1, what you will get?
1,
1. Then what we have to multiply?
3 into 9,
3 into 9. 3 into 9, what you will get?
20,
Uh,
27.
27. 7 you have to write here. 2 you have to write the 1000 place. Here nothing is there to multiply again. So 27 you can write like this. Now what is the answer? Will you read this number?
2,718.
2780. Okay, you can mute your audio, dear. One more question is there. I'll show one more question. For that, Harshavardhan, have you got chance today? Have you got chance today to say answer?
Yes.
Yes. Still you say answer. You help me. Okay. 555 into 4. Here also you have to write HTO. 555 into 4. Now, we have to multiply which all digits, dear? First,
5 into
4.
4.
5 into 4, what you will get?
20.
20. Here, what you will write? Which digit we will write in the ones place?
2. 0.
0 we have to write in the ones place. Okay. The last digit you have to write in the ones place. And what we have to do this 2?
Carrying this place.
Carry to the tens place. Now which all digits you have to multiply? Dear, which all digits we have to multiply?
4 into 5.
Yes, again the tens place digit 5 and 4. 5 into 4 or 4 into 5, what you will get?
20.
20. And what we have to do this carry over?
Right.
You have to add. You got 5 into 4, 20. With that, you have to add this carry over 2.
2.
20 plus 2? 20 plus 2?
22.
22. In 22, this last 2 we will write in the tens place. And this one, this 2 we will carry forward to which place? Carry over to which place? In 22, this 2 we will write in the tens place. And the next 2 we will carry forward to which place? After tens place?
100 place.
Next place, 100 place. Now again multiply 5 into 4. 5 into 4, what do you get?
D.
20. Again you add this 2, carry over 2. 20 plus 2?
20 plus 2.
20 plus 2? 20 plus 2?
22.
22. We got answer as, will you read this number? Here.
2000.
2000. 200.
220.
Yes, 2220.
20.
Now everybody open your maths notebook. Everybody. Everybody open your maths
Ma'am,
notebook.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I not have maths first term book. Ma'am,
Who is not having? Please tell me your name.
Harshavardhan.
Okay. Dear, multiplication chapter is in first term. So do one thing, either you take photocopy, otherwise when I am sending in the group, you can take printout. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Multiply. This one you have to write in the notebook. You have to do alone. You all have to do alone. 512 into 5. 432 into 4. Now, next question. 444 into 5. Now, Clement, please unmute. Clement, please unmute.
Yes.
You have to help me to do first question. Okay. Will you? Clement, can you
Yes.
help me? Huh?
Yes.
Where he had to start multiplication? Which Which all digits we have to multiply first? Yes, dear. Your voice is not audible to me, dear. Clement. Ah. So which all digits we have to multiply first? Do you know? Clement. Clement. Ah.
Yes.
Dear, we have to start multiplication from ones place. Okay. So 2 into 5 we have to
Okay.
multiply first. 2 into 5. What you will get, dear?
10.
10. In 10, 1 or
Okay.
0. Which we will write in the ones place? Here, in 10, 1 or 0. Which one we will write in the ones place? Sorry? Dear, your voice is not clear to me, dear. Let me ask you somebody else. Some network issue is there. Now, Anne Pavira, please unmute. Unmute here.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 5, 10 we got. In 10, 1 or 0. Which one we will write first? The one
0.
0. And what we have to multiply next?
1 carried to the tens place.
1 carried to the tens
Tens
place.
place.
Then which all digits we have to multiply next?
1 into 5.
1 into 5. 1 into 5, what you will get?
5.
5. Then what we have to do this 1?
Mm,
Carry over 1 you have to
Add.
add.
6.
Okay. So 5 plus 1, what you will get?
6.
6. Next we have to multiply.
5 into 5.
What you will get 5 into 5?
25.
25. You have to write here 1000. So what is the answer? Will you read this number?
Yes.
Ah,
2560.
okay. Next question. I need. Next. Vihan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question you have to help me to do. HTO 432 into 4. From where we have to start multiplication, dear?
One place.
Ones place. So which order is we have to multiply?
2 into 4.
2 into 4. What you will get?
2 into 4. 8.
8. Next, what you have to multiply?
3 into 4.
3 into 4. What you will get if you multiply 3 into 4?
12.
12. In 12, what you have to write in the tens place?
2 in the tens place and
2
1
in the
as a
tens place
carryover
and
at the 100 place.
1 in the 100 place. Now, 4 into 4.
4 into 4. 16.
Then we have to, what do you have to do this one?
16 plus 1, 17.
70. That we can write because no more digit left to multiply. So, will you read this number?
1728.
Okay. Now, next question. I want will Michelle, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 444 into 5. 5 into 4. What you will get here? If you start from ones place, 5 into 4.
6.
Huh? 4 into 5 is? Fadil, will you give answer? Unmute.
20.
Somebody saying 4 into 5? Fadil. Dear children, 4 into 5 is 20.
20.
In 20, 0 we have to write here and 2 should carry over to the tens place. Now, again, 5 into 4, what you will get?
20.
20. Then we have to add this
22.
2. So, 22. In 22, 2 we will write in the, again the last 2 will write in the, which place? Tens place.
Tens place.
The other 2 we will carry over to the
100
100
place.
place. 4 5s are again
20.
20.
22.
20 plus 2,
22.
22. So the answer will be 2200.
2220.
The answers are sent through WhatsApp and 2
Ma'am?
homework questions will be there. You have to do that. And next day we will be discussing the answer. Okay? So thank
Okay.
you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.